Struggling with hearing loss or tinnitus? What if I told you about Zeneara, a groundbreaking supplement that could dramatically improve your hearing naturally? My grandmother's life was transformed by it, and yours could be too. Zeneara is more than just a supplement. It's a revolutionary approach to combating hearing loss and tinnitus, backed by natural, side-effect-free ingredients. I witnessed firsthand my grandmother's battle with hearing loss. That changed when she started Zeneara. It wasn't just an improvement, it was a transformation thanks to Zeneara clearing toxins for clearer hearing. Commitment is key. With daily intake over 3 to 6 months, Zeneara promises not just temporary relief but lasting hearing improvement, emphasizing its carefully selected organic ingredients. Zeneara's commitment to quality and authenticity means it's only available through its official website. This exclusivity ensures you get the genuine, potent formula directly. Hear from others who've experienced Zeneara's benefits. With overwhelmingly positive feedback, it's not just my grandmother who's found hope and improvement. If you're ready to experience the change and reclaim your hearing, the time is now. Click the link in the description or the pinned first comment to visit Zeneara's official website. Discover how Zeneara can be the key to unlocking a world of clearer hearing for you. Remember, with a 100% money-back guarantee, you have everything to gain. Don't wait. Take the first step towards better hearing today.